The tea is almost ready.
It smells wonderful.
Here you go.
I love rainy days like this with you, Grandma.
Me too, dear. It feels so peaceful. You have to mix it well.
Like this, Grandma?
That's it. Now for the flour.
Okay.
Oh, these look wonderful, dear.
I made them just for you. These are delicious, Grandma.
I'm glad, dear. Rainy days are perfect for this.
I love the rain, Grandma. It's so calming.
It is, dear. It brings back happy memories.